Hello everybody, good day, welcome back again. We're doing a video today and I'm not working, it's weekend, but I just wanna film a tools that I bought online. So we are unboxing it today. It's bigger than I expected and also it's heavy and I can't carry it easily. So these tools is for my fencing job. It's got a special purpose on my job. It's called a core drill, and it came with a 10 centimeter drill bit to it. Oh man, look at the size of this. It's a big one. So the height of it, from the bottom up, my height is 5'7", and that sits all the way to my hip. And this is what comes with it. Little tools. So I still have to figure out what bits goes for what. Some sort of handle, this plastic tools over here, and this one I reckon that sits here somewhere like that to hold it down. I don't know, like an anchor. But I'm not sure if this is the one that goes in there. Hold it down. Yeah, still have to figure out what's this little tool is for. Allen keys and a spare carbon brush here, and this is my 10 centimeter drill bit. Man, look at this thing. That's the brand. Yeah, that's the brand. And this guy's like selling really nice cheap equipments, and I just bought electric gate motor from these people. I'll be installing them in the next couple of weeks, but this one here, I haven't used this particular one. This is the drop ones with the little lever on the side, so you just use this to get it down and up. You just turn it, and there's some sort of anchor point here. I don't know what's that for. And a thread here, thread hole. Yeah, this thing is big. This thing is big. Doesn't look big on the video that I've seen on YouTube, huh? But this is big. So let's open that one. Yeah, that's 10 centimeter, and it comes with it. So I don't know what this is for. I had to see the manual what's this for. But this one have a thread on it. This one would just go directly on here. Yep. And that's the setup. This is actually a nice looking core drill right here. So that you can flip that around They obviously do this just for transport purposes, because otherwise that won't fit in the box. So I'll just flip that around, and you know, I'm happy with this. It's nice. So that's all of that unboxing, guys. That's all that came with it. This is actually a 107 millimeter, and it's got their name on it too. The color of it's really neat. I liked it. Nice orange, very visible in a work site. So at the moment I don't have a job that I'll be using this, but before I had a inquiry about putting a fence up, but didn't want to get rid of the concrete slab, the existing concrete slab, which is 400 millimeter. To get rid of it, it's too expensive for them, so they just want to keep it. At the same time, they want a hole for their post, not just Dyna bolted with plates on it, because sometimes Dyna bolt can loosen up over time, and especially when it's not level, you could pack it on certain sides to get your post standing straight. So over time they loosen up, and lots of clients don't like it, so they like drill into the concrete. So if I get another inquiries about post going into the concrete, then I can say yes, because I have this one. And this one is very cheap online compared to the branded ones. Branded ones, I think it sits around I don't know, minimum one is 1800 to, I don't know, you can go for 4. That's the handheld ones. But this one I got it for more 300 plus on eBay, and I'm sure it works this time, because I've seen a few people on YouTube using this, and one of my friends used this as well, and they have good reviews. And look, if it breaks, just buy another one, and I'm sure 2 or 3 times of use with the job I get, this would paid off already. So I'm sure you make profit before this thing breaks. So that's it, everybody. I won't test run it because I know how this works now, and this one is the controls. It's a nice little thing. It's got a safety lid on it. It says reset and test with a LED. It's an LED on here. So red means on and black, of course, when it's not on, there's nothing on. There's a circuit breaker at the same time, you switch on and off. So this little piece here, I put it here thinking maybe this is when you're working on a tight spot that have something on top, and you loosen it up and hold this whole thing down, not wobbling. And I reckon this one is just from for this, when you go all the way up, it doesn't come off, because this will stop heating that. Yeah, so that's it. And also thank you for all the support, for watching our little videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.